Next heading, right? Center of velocity of center of mass. Heading, right? Velocity of center of mass. Okay. तो यूपीएल 440 में अगर आ सकते यूपीएल 440 में लेने के लिए रखना। हाँ ठीक ठीक। Yes. What is rate of change of displacement?
Velocity.
Velocity.
Rate of change of displacement is velocity, correct. And rate of change of velocity?
Acceleration.
Very good.
Acceleration.
Very good, very good. 1 second, 1 second. That means if I differentiate center of mass from both sides, this is suppose center of mass का x coordinate, which was m1 x1 up to mn xn divided by m1 plus m2, last one is mn. So if I differentiate both sides, then this will become velocity or not? Dx by dt.
Yes, sir.
This is m1 dx1 upon dt, again v1 plus v2 up to last term. That means indirectly, if v1, v2, v3, vn are the velocities of n particle, then velocity of center of mass v bar can be written as m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar up to last one mn vn bar divided by m1 plus m2 up to mn. Therefore, v bar equals to, this is nothing but total mass. m1, m2, mn, is it total mass?
Yes, sir.
And what is mv called as? Momentum? Momentum.
Momentum.
So, numerator is resultant linear momentum upon total mass is called as velocity of center of mass. Clear meaning? Why? Because derivative will be same thing. So heading was velocity of center of mass. Write down answer for this. Let v1 bar comma v2 bar dot comma vn bar be the velocities of n particles having masses m1 comma m2 dot comma mn. Therefore, velocity of center of mass comma v bar equals to, copy all this, Yes, completed.
No, sir.
Yeah, please write properly.
Done, sir.
So we got velocity is nothing but resultant linear momentum upon total mass. This is also called as weighted average of मोमेंटा. मोमेंटम का प्लूरल इज मोमेंटा. वेटेड क्योंकि मास से डिवाइड किया है. एवरेज ऑफ मोमेंटम m1 v1 m2 v2 देवर एवरेज ऑफ मोमेंटम डिवाइड बाय मास से किया, इसलिए उसका नाम पड़ गया है वेलोसिटी ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास इज आल्सो वेटेड एवरेज ऑफ मोमेंटम. बिलो दैट राइट डाउन इक्वल्स टू वेटेड एवरेज ऑफ मोमेंटम. वेटेड एवरेज ऑफ मोमेंटम. weighted average of momentum. For continuous distribution. That means if particles are, this is rigid body, so throughout there are masses. These are discrete masses. This is called continuous. Discrete मतलब अलग अलग, इसको बोलते हैं discrete. पूरे बॉडी में है तो continuous. So for continuous distribution, velocity of center of mass is taken as integration of v bar for small particle dm divided by total mass. मतलब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक छोटा सा मास लेते हैं, इसका वेलोसिटी देखते हैं, that we integrate for all the particles and divide by total mass. So when I solve the problem, you'll get the idea. Just like formula, if it is not discrete mass but continuous, then we follow integration.
For discrete mass, right?
See, discrete mass means separated mass ना, ऐसा एक दो तीन.
Yes, sir.
और पूरा रिजिड बॉडी लिया तो कंटिन्यूअस हो गया. Can you clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Next heading. Acceleration of center of mass. Acceleration of center of mass. Here again, if you differentiate velocity, you get acceleration. So same concept. Let a1 bar, a2 bar, dot 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 up to an bar be the acceleration of n particles of rigid body having masses m1, m2, dot 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 up to mn. Therefore, acceleration of center of mass, comma a bar of center of mass. Wait, just copy, just copy. हाँ नहीं, हाँ मैडम, हाँ क्या ठीक है, बोलिए. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, मैं करता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ. थैंक यू, यस करता हूँ. is m1 a1 bar plus m2 a2 bar up to mn an bar divided by m1 plus m2 up to mn. Yes, copy this much. This can be written as summation of mi ai bar upon summation of mi, which is nothing but ma is force, so it is resultant force upon total mass. This can also be written as weighted. जैसा that was weighted average of momenta, this is also called as weighted average of force. Weighted इसलिए कि मास से डिवाइड किया, average of weighted average of force for continuous distribution acceleration of center of mass equals to integration of a bar dm upon total mass m. A bar dm upon mass capital M. Now open MD PDF of MCQ of law of motion. Then we'll see work power energy. Hello? Hello? Completed this one, acceleration of center of mass.
Yes, sir.
I said just open now PDF of law of motion sheet. Last class we discussed which sum? Avan, which sum we discussed? Which sum we have discussed? Just check.
You told to solve till 171.
No, we have discussed till what I have told.
One
How much? 51.
120.
120 tak we have discussed. I doubt. Please check.
Yes, sir.
120 we have discussed. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? फिर 119 वाला आपको आया क्या?
Sir, we have discussed till 117.
117.
वही बोल रहा हूँ. 117. Now 119. Do you know?
No, sir.
No, sir.
V1 bar.
No, sir.
Because there are few typical sums, na? You will know only if it is brought once. So 119. A tube of length L is filled completely with incompressible fluid. That means it will not contract or expand, whose mass is m. Where is center of mass of this incompressible fluid? Center of mass of this incompressible fluid, which is taken in a tube of length L, at L by 2. यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है ना, तो सेंटर ऑफ मास L by 2. नहीं समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. What?
So when we are rotating this in horizontal plane like this, तो इसका center of mass ऐसा घूमेगा ना, with radius L by 2. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
So tube is rotated in horizontal plane about one of its end with uniform angular velocity omega, force exerted by liquid at other end. Liquid at other end, लेकिन average तो इधर है ना. So force exerted will be mass omega square, centrifugal force का formula I am writing. But radius I will take L by 2 because mass is supposed to be concentrated here. So this is the answer, half m omega square L. That is option A. M is mass, omega square is angular velocity ka square, at distance of L by 2 is center of mass located. After 119, which one? Yes, after 119, which one? Nobody is telling anything.
So 129.
Directly 129.
120.
120 you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 120. See, don't hesitate. I will solve all required. But your doubt should be cleared. 120. A person is driving a vehicle with uniform speed of 5 meter per second on a level road having track of radius 5 meter. Friction of static between road and tire is 0.1. Will the person slip while taking turn with the same speed? Will he slip while taking turn with the same speed? Let us see whether he will take slip or not. Will the person slip? So I should find what is velocity actual required, safe speed, by using the information. He is traveling with this. लेकिन ये information से safe speed क्या है वो देख लेता हूं. Formula of safe speed is mu rg. You know this. So 0.1 into 5, g is 10, which will become root of 5. What is root of 5? Approximately less than 5 or more than 5? Everywhere they have given v square. So v square is 5. This is safe speed. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Person will slip if he is moving more than this, na?
Yes, sir.
तो आंसर B आएगा. A person will slip if v square is D greater than 5. Equal to 5 less than 5 चलेगा. greater than 5 पे वो स्लिप हो जाएगा. Person will slip if velocity is v square is greater than 5. Concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you want 127, you are saying, na?
No, sir. 122.
122. Okay. 122. A car is moving on a circular horizontal track of radius 10 with constant speed of 10. Constant speed of 10. एक कार है, उसका रूफ पे there is a bob suspended from the roof. Length of the wire is 1 meter. The angle made by the wire with the vertical. So when this vehicle is taking turn, this will move behind due to centrifugal force making angle theta with the vertical that we want. So at this displaced position, force acting is weight of the bob mg, then tension T you can resolve into two component, T cos theta vertically upward and T sin theta along horizontal. So from this I can say T cos theta will balance mg. One. How about it? How was it before? Oh, चलो बैठ गया. Good night. हाँ, हाँ. Contract from what to what you said? No, this is expansion. 82 to 141 means expand, na, not contract. Correct. But you are telling temperature range, you are telling, na? It will contract. No, that 1 or 2 degrees immaterial. Don't worry. Yes, definitely, definitely there is. No problem. Best luck. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye. T cos theta is mg and T sin theta provides necessary centripetal force mv square by r. That means T sin theta upon T cos theta is mv square by r upon mg. So if you divide this, tan theta will become v square. V square is 10 into 10. R is kitna R? 10 meter. G not given, will take 10. So this 10, this 10, this 10 cancel. What you are getting tan theta? Is it 1?
So pi by 4.
1 means 45 degree, which is pi by 4. So just remember, whenever a vehicle takes turn, तो उसके अंदर का जो भी सस्पेंडेड चीज होगा ना, वो भी टर्न करता है. So always it will behave like banked road, where formula is tan theta v square by r. जैसे मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट अगर टर्न मारा तो उसका भी वही रहना चाहिए, tan theta is v square by r.
Same.
Same formula is. Now copy 122. After 122, Which sum?
128.
Anybody want before 128 anything?
So 127.
ठीक है. Please keep on saying our numbers. Again, I'm telling, don't hesitate. I will solve all if you want. What time है अपने पास? I'm clearing 122 now. 127 and 128. 127. A car of mass 500 kg takes sharp turn of radius 50 meter with speed of 36 kilometer per hour, which is 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 18 to the 36. 5 into 2 is 10 meter per second. Then find the centripetal force acting on this. Centripetal force formula is mv square by r. M is 500, v is 10, and r is 50. 50 into 10 is 500 equals to 1000 Newton. Clear now this doubt also? 127? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
any
sir.
now clear now? Formula based it was. Right. Yes, Karan Vora, Karan Goyal, you all don't have any doubts? ऐसा कैसा सबका कॉमन डाउट आ रहा है? Yes, Karan, you have practiced till with some? Karan, you have practiced till with some? Karan Vora?
So 150.
150.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And no doubt to you, 127, you got the answer earlier?
Yes, sir. I tried.
Okay. Anay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please ask her.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rajvardhan, Suraj, Mohit, you all are not asking doubt. That means you have not done. Aryan Bhagwe,
Yes, sir.
कुछ डाउट नहीं है अभी तक?
Sir,
हाँ?
sir, 129.
129.
129. Yeah.
Okay. Chalo, first complete 127, then I am doing 128, 129.
Answer this.
Okay. 128. Aman, you have completed till which sum?
So 175.
अच्छा, ठीक है, मतलब आपका जोश बराबर है. Perfect, ऐसे ही चाहिए. A particle is moving in a circular orbit of radius r under attractive force F equal to minus k by r. बहुत important sum. Most important sum. Then period of motion is proportional to time period is proportional to what? R raised to what? Particle is performing circular orbit. Since particle is performing circular orbit means particle is performing circular motion. बराबर ना? If
Yes,
any
sir.
particle, any body performs circular motion, then it requires which type of force?
Centripetal.
Centripetal. And centripetal force का फॉर्मूला क्या रहता है? M
V square by R.
R. बराबर. और can I say M omega square R?
Yes, sir.
कैन आई से mv ओमेगा, है ना, ये तीनों है ना.
Yes, sir.
वी वांट टाइम पीरियड, तो इसको सिलेक्ट करूंगा तो चलेगा ना, क्योंकि ओमेगा से टाइम पीरियड मिलेगा, है ना.
Yes, sir.
ओके. अभी वो लोग ने बोला है फोर्स इतना है, पर हम लोग को मालूम है वो इतना होना चाहिए. वो लोग ने कुछ भी दिया है, दैट कुछ भी शुड बी दिस, करेक्ट. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
They may give any force, but that force must be always m omega square r, mv square by r, और mv omega, मतलब सेंट्रीपिटल हो जाना चाहिए. So I can say therefore m omega square must be equivalent to what they have given, then only it will perform circular motion. I hope you all have followed, correct ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें से मास कांस्टेंट है ना,
Hmm.
के भी कांस्टेंट है, करेक्ट. तो मैं
Yes.
ऐसा लिखूं तो चलेगा क्या, ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1/r स्क्वायर, बिकॉज बाकी सब कांस्टेंट है. समझ गया.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
माइनस इसलिए नहीं लिखा बिकॉज टाइम पीरियड निगेटिव नहीं होने वाला है. सो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट इज ओमेगा, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट 1/r ना. नहीं समझ में आया.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. सो ओमेगा मींस 2 पाई बाय टाइम पीरियड. आई थिंक यू आर अवेयर थोड़ा बहुत. तो ओमेगा मींस
Yes,
2
yes.
पाई इज 1/r. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल करूंगा तो व्हाट आई विल गेट, t upon 2 pi is proportional to r by 1 or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो 2 pi तो कांस्टेंट है, तो अपना आया t proportional to r. खत्म, ये आंसर है. वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट सा. डाउट है तो फिर से पूछो मुझे. डाउट है. पार्टिकल इज परफॉर्मिंग सर्कुलर मोशन, तो उसको चाहिए सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स, जिसका फॉर्मूला है 3 बताया. इसमें से मैंने सेकंड वाला लिया बिकॉज उनको टाइम पीरियड चाहिए, ओमेगा टाइम पीरियड में रिलेशन है. सो दैट रिक्वायर्ड इज सप्लाइड बाय k by r, ऐसा बोला. So I equated. So we got omega square. From that omega means 2 pi by time period. उल्टा कर दिया t upon 2 pi. So t is proportional to r. Yes, Kathan, Vaibhav, Hitarth, any doubt?
Nah, sir.
Yes, okay. Copy,
No, sir.
copy. See, nothing is difficult, but we forget. That is the difficulty. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you
Yes,
want
sir.
129. You want now after this? Somebody told me 129. I'm doing for you all. 129. if mu s is coefficient of static friction, maximum speed with which a vehicle can negotiate unbanked curved track having radius r inclined at angle theta with respect to the plane, can negotiate, कौन सा रोड बोला है, unbanked curved road. What is meaning of unbanked? अनबैंक्ड मतलब एंगल नहीं है उसके पास, हाँ, फ्रिक्शन है. तो अनबैंक्ड रोड का ये म्यू
Safe speed.
आरजी फॉर्मूला होता है. और अगर बैंक्ड होएगा तो रूट ऑफ आरजी टैन थीटा. बैंक विथ फ्रिक्शन, तीन फॉर्मूला स्पीड का, अनबैंक्ड, बैंक, then banked with friction will be rg mu s plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. Copy this three formula. Here it is mu rg, that is B option. After this, which sum you want?
130.
131.
131.
No problem.
130.
130 also you want?
No, sir, no.
So 1.
हाँ बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हो?
131.
131. A gramophone record is revolving with angular velocity omega. A record is revolving with speed of a gramophone record is revolving with speed of omega. A coin is placed at a distance r. The coefficient of friction between the is mu. The coin will revolve with record if what is the condition. This will revolve, this coin, till centrifugal force is not taking it away. So centrifugal force will should be balanced by frictional force, है ना? तब तक वो गोल गोल घूमेगा. So can I say coin will keep revolving till centrifugal force is less than or equal to frictional force. Any doubt in this line first? Because
No,
every,
sir.
now centrifugal force I can write m omega square r for this coin, less than equal to mu mg, both side m cancel, so r should be less than equal to mu g upon omega square. किधर है ये? C. C is the answer. बॉडी थ्रो वाला सम आया तो याद रखना सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स मस्ट बी बैलेंस्ड बाय द ऑपोजिंग फोर्स. Is completed, correct? Huh? Hello, completed?
132.
अच्छा समय हो गया 132. 132. A block of mass m is placed on smooth sphere of radius r. This is sphere. A block of mass m is placed on smooth sphere. Sphere. Whose radius is r. It slides when pushed slightly. मतलब इसको पुश कर दिया तो स्लाइड हो जाता है. At what distance h from the top it will leave the sphere? So suppose at distance h it leaves the sphere. Just before leaving sphere it was in contact, है ना? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
जब ये
sir.
कांटेक्ट में था तो उसके ऊपर क्या क्या फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है? इसका खुद का वजन mg है ना? नॉर्मल रिएक्शन परपेंडिकुलर टू द सरफेस. हाँ, ये mg डाउनवर्ड और नॉर्मल रिएक्शन which is perpendicular to the surface. So if this angle is theta, this is theta. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So mg
Yes,
का दो component I can have. mg, this is theta का बाजू वाला इधर आएगा mg cos and the other one will become mg sin. अब ये नॉर्मल रिएक्शन mg sin थीटा मिलके उसको घुमाने चाहिए ना फिर, बिकॉज दोनों रेडियस पे एक्ट हो रहा है आउटवर्ड इनवर्ड, करेक्ट? सो फॉर सर्कुलर मोशन mg sin theta acting, mg cos theta acting along the center minus normal reaction upward must provide necessary centripetal force mv square upon r. R is the radius of rotation. Here it is capital R, तो मैं capital R. But at point of losing contact, जैसे ही कांटेक्ट लूज हो गया, अब ये रिएक्शन फोर्स कांटेक्ट से आया, मस्ट बिकम जीरो. सो आई विल गेट mg cos theta should become mv square by r. m कैंसल, यानी कि g cos theta equals to v square upon r. इक्वेशन 1. कुछ डाउट है इधर तक? हेलो, इधर तक कुछ डाउट?
No, sir.
अभी मुझे खाली ये cos theta मिल गया, v मिल गया तो काम खल्लास ना. h चाहिए अपने को. ड्रॉ डायग्राम प्रॉपरली, राइट टिल दिस, फिर लास्ट में एक फॉर्मूला आएगा वो रटना है आपको, अगर रट सकते हैं तो फिर टाइम बचेगा एग्जाम में. प्लीज कॉपी टिल दिस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सम एंड स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट आल्सो. जैसे जैसे डेज विल पास थिंग्स विल बिकम इजियर फॉर यू बिकॉज यू विल गेट एक्वेंटेड टू दिस.
Done, sir.
Okay. I have to eliminate this cos theta and v factor and get the answer in h because we want h from the top. h का फॉर्मूला याद रखना फ्रॉम द टॉप. बॉटम से पूछा तो टोटल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम बॉटम इज 2r. टॉप एंड बॉटम का बीच में डिस्टेंस 2r. 2r माइनस h कर देना आपको फ्रॉम बॉटम मिल जाएगा. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टॉप to here, this distance is 2r and this is r ना इतना.
Yes, sir.
So if this is h तो ये कितना बचेगा?
R minus H.
Yes, r minus h. So can I say cos theta is this adjacent side which is r minus h upon hypotenuse which is r? Not followed.
Followed, sir.
Followed ना. ये इतना, ये क्या है? r minus h है ना. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is r minus h. तो ये रेडियस है ना पूरा इधर तक.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I
sir.
can say cos theta is nothing but adjacent side, which from diagram we can see it is r minus h. So g into r minus h upon r is v square by r. You can cancel r. So we get g into r minus h equal to v square. Now by law of conservation of energy, ये h नीचे आया मतलब loss in potential is gain in kinetic which is half mv square. So mm cancel, 2gh equals to v square. Followed this also. ऊपर से नीचे आया तो loss in potential becomes gain in kinetic. So mgh equal to half mv square. 2 mm cancel, v square is 2gh. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So therefore we can say g times r minus h is v square which is 2gh. Both side g cancel, r minus h is 2h, r is 3h. So r by 3 is h हो गया. R by 3 is option B. Everybody has followed this slightly difficult sum.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, जो भी डिफिकल्ट लगता है ना उसको 3-4 बार सॉल्व कर देना तो आपका कॉन्सेप्ट दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट. नाउ कॉपी टिल एंड. दिस वाज रियली अ गुड सम फ्रॉम ऑल द डाउट्स व्हिच यू हैव आस्क्ड.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now which sum you have doubt? After this,
136.
one 136.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
36. Two blocks of mass 7 kg and 5 kg are connected by the rope. That one, huh? One 36. Two block of 7 kg and 5 kg are connected by the rope of mass 4 kg. See, this time ये rope का भी वजन है, it is not massless. Rope of mass 4 kg. A system is pulled upward by 240 Newton as shown in the figure. Tension in the rope at its midpoint will be how much? इधर का tension चाहिए. So tension in the rope at its midpoint will be how much? What will be tension here? How much is this total weight? Can you tell? This total weight?
7.
5 plus 2, 7. Correct. So tension here will be due to this 7 acting downward. 7 kg. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say here this tension in the middle which is acting upward minus 7 into 10 acting downward should be mass of this body, mass into acceleration we are taking.
Sir.
So that body is 5 which is going to move up. In the body of mass 5, net acceleration. What is net acceleration of the system? Total acceleration? Total acceleration of the system? It is total force upon total mass of the block. So can I say it is 240 upon
240 upon 16.
नहीं 5 और ये 7 12 लेना है खाली. इसका रोप का
सर
नहीं
वो
लेना.
रोप का नहीं लेना है.
नहीं खाली ब्लॉक का मास है ना जो मूव होने वाला. तो ये 2 हो गया ना. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 240 into this 120 will become 2, 5 and 4 12 and 4 16. So tension will be minus 70 एक मिनट. टोटल मास इसका भी लेंगे 4. कितना हो गया हो? 12 and हेलो
Yes, sir.
कितना टोटल मास? 7 5
16.
12 and 4 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. ये 15 हो गया ना बराबर.
Sir.
सो 70 का उधर गया प्लस हो गया 70 प्लस 15 5 are 75. कुछ एरर आ गया. चलो इसको मैं बाद में जरा चेक करके फिर करता हूँ. लेट इट बी. हाँ लेट इट बी. अगर कुछ रॉन्ग होगा तो चेक करता हूँ. आंसर मुझे लगता है इट शुड कम 105. अभी देखता हूँ क्या एरर है. ये 240 बराबर है. सो today we stop here till sum number 135 done, and I told please complete till 170. I told na. Hello.
171.
171 I told. Now 135 we have done. Many of you have completed till 150. 10 more sums can you try? See those who
Yes,
can
sir.
try, because
Yes, sir.
या 200 तक ट्राई करके रखो, क्योंकि आगे तो बहुत कम है, 224 तक है, हो जाएगा सब. Just try to complete full, because I don't think there will be much doubt further. So Friday I will complete full 2 to 4 तक. अगर डाउट नहीं होगा तो है तो एक एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर लेके ये वीक में लॉ ऑफ मोशन आई विल कंप्लीट फॉर यू. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Take care. We'll meet on Friday, same time. Not same time, bit early. Today we started 15 minutes late. Next class will be at the stipulated time. And as I said, if required, I will take one extra.